Wow. My goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Adventures. Well, it's rained for 5 days. It's not raining right now. It's foggy and wet, but we're heading out to Benton Falls. I'm actually really excited to see the falls. I mean, it's literally been raining for 5 days. It's slacked up today, just sprinkling a little bit. It's really foggy out, that's why it's wet. I mean, we're up on top of a mountain, you know. But it's 1.5 miles out to the falls, so it's a 3-mile round trip. Should be a pretty easy day. Here we go. We're hitting the trail. There's the lake. Phew. Look at all that fog. You can't even see the lake. I hope it clears up once we hit the downward ascent to the trail. Feels going to be really wet some places on this trail. There's just puddles and puddles of water. Yeah, it's like soaked. It's like I'm walking in a river on the way down to the river. Yeah, I think once we get past this little stream, we'd be all right. If we can get past the little stream. Wow. Oh. Shouldn't be too bad from here. At least we're not going left. I just wanted to quickly mention, this area is fairly populated with bears. So, you know, if you're coming out here to hike this area, make sure you bring some sort of a protection, whether that be bear spray or firearm. You know, just be aware of your surroundings out here. I'm fairly certain I'm probably one of the only few out here today, so if something were to happen to me, nobody would know. Well, my wife knew I was intending on coming out here, but I don't know if she'd look for me. Man, it is just mud puddle after mud puddle. Let's look an alternate way around here. Wow. Well, it kind of just led me right back into the water. Oh well, feet are already wet anyway. By the way, Meryl, your boots are not waterproof. They say waterproof, but they're not waterproof. Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear it or not. I'm starting to hear water. Getting excited. I can't wait to see what this looks like. And of course, I'm about to have to wade through more water. Your feet wet yet?
Worth every second of it.
All right, I do believe we have made it to Benton Falls. This is the downward trek. It's not much farther now. As soon as we get down about halfway, we'll start hitting stairs. And I don't honestly know how far we'll be able to get down, depending on how far up the river is. When I was walking up this way, I can remember last time hearing water, but not seeing it. And on the trail, if I was looking down, this time I could see the water. So, yeah, it's up pretty high. It's moving quick. I don't know if you can see it. We'll move on up a little ways to the top of the falls. Last time I was able to kind of look over the falls. I don't know if I'll be able to do that this time, but I'll try. Okay, this is the top of the falls. We're just going to get right up to the edge here. I mean, wow. That's a lot different than last time. Ooh. Man, look at that. I don't know if you can hear me. That is loud, real loud. Wow. I can't wait to get to the bottom. That's slick. About there. Real careful through here. Wow. My goodness. Wow. Oh yeah. Worth every step. Alright guys, well I made it back up to the top. That was absolutely unbelievable. I have never seen Benton Falls like that before. You couldn't even get down to where you could actually see the falls that well. I was able to get into a couple spots where I get a couple good pictures, a couple good video shots. I even took up the drone. That's going to be some terrible footage. I'll put it in the video anyway. The drone lost GPS, went into manual mode. It started flying into a tree, so I had to bring it back down real quick. But anyway, listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, get out there and create your own adventure.